Sirama kamagi otimore. Komachielo en ni Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nomondo oyango chenro mar dongruok e kaonti ma Nyeri. Motelo ne chopo e nyasi mar dok dala ma jagoro mogore Migago ma teko Alex Wachira ma bende timore kamoro ni Ramogi. Ruto ne apisi mag duond bura mar UDA Nyeri kendo yango chako gedo mar apaya mar Burguret kochomo Muriru. Ruto yango ni UDA biro bago welo mag gwenge dwe mar 12 higani Mario Jatend duond bura e gwenge.
Going to have elections of the party, and I am announcing here in Nyeri, all members of UDA, wherever you are, there will be elections in December. We are going to announce the timetable for the elections in December so that we can build the party as an institution of governance. And we want to make sure that the leadership of the party is determined by the membership of the party. Everybody who wants to be an official in this party must go back to the polling station and begin the journey from there. Socialize yourself with the members of the party. Those who will vote, they will vote for every office that is available in our constitution. And we are going to make sure that we build a national party that is going to unite the country, unite communities, unite interests from every corner so that we can eliminate the politics of ethnicity